If Canva is giving you a PNG upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a minute or two. Whether your file won't upload, gets stuck, or Canva keeps showing an error message, these simple steps can help you get back to work fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, try refreshing Canva. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary browser glitch, and a quick refresh can clear it right away. On Windows, press Ctrl+R to reload the page. If you're on a Mac, use Command+R instead. After the page reloads, try uploading your PNG again and see if it goes through. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause upload errors, even if everything else looks fine. Open a browser and search for speed test, then run a quick test to check your upload speed and connection stability. If your internet is weak, try switching networks, restarting your router, or moving to a stronger connection before uploading again. Now, if Canva still won't accept the file, try resaving the PNG. Sometimes the image file itself can have a small issue or formatting problem that stops Canva from reading it properly. Open the image in your default photo viewer or editor, then save it again as a PNG file. After that, return to Canva and upload the newly saved version. This often fixes hidden file problems that are causing the error. Another very effective fix is to reduce the file size, PO. Large PNG files can sometimes fail to upload, especially if the image is high resolution or contains a lot of detail. Use an image compressor or a file size reduction tool, then upload the smaller version into Canva. In many cases, lowering the file size is all it takes to get past the upload problem. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one until the file uploads correctly. Refresh the page, check your internet speed, resave the PNG, and compress the image if needed. Those are the main steps that usually solve Canva upload errors with PNG files. And if this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.